Hello, my dear students. Now we are having next question. A beam of protons with velocity 4 into 10 raised to power 5 meter per second enter in uniform magnetic field 0.3 Tesla. The velocity make angle 60 degree with the magnetic field. Okay, find the radius of helical path taken by the proton beam and the pitch of helix. Okay, so in this question, whenever, let us consider this is the magnetic field, this direction of magnetic field. Okay, and this velocity vector, if this velocity vector is making angle theta with this magnetic field. Okay, this is the velocity vector, and this velocity vector making angle theta with the magnetic field. So for this magnetic field we can for this velocity vector we can consider two perpendicular components. One is the v cos theta, and which is in the direction of magnetic field, which is not responsible for the force. But if we are talking about the perpendicular component to the magnetic field, that is v sine theta, and this v sine theta will be responsible for the circular motion, for the force of due to this magnetic field. So due to this perpendicular component, so we can written as v perpendicular, and this is the parallel component. So due to this perpendicular component, this charge particle will perform circular motion, but due to this linear parallel component, this charge particle will perform linear motion. So this parallel component will responsible for the linear motion, rectilinear motion. Okay, and this perpendicular component is responsible for circular motion. Okay, circular motion, and the combination of this linear motion and circular motion is helix. Okay, so if you are talking about the radius of this circular path, or you can say radius of this helical path, you can use this perpendicular component. So you can write this mv perpendicular divided by qb. Already you know the formula for the radius. Okay, so you can write mv sine theta divided by qb. Okay, if you are talking about the mass of proton, it is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 27 kg, and the velocity it is given 4 into 10 raised to power 5 meter per second, and the sine 60 degree, because the velocity make an angle 60 degree with the magnetic field. So here theta is equal to 60 degree, and sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 divided by q, it is proton. So q is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19, and b is equal to 0.3 Tesla. Okay, so if we are solving this radius, we are getting 0.012 meter, or you can write 1.2 centimeter. Now if you are talking about the pitch, okay, this pitch is due to the linear motion. So what is meaning of pitch? Pitch means the linear distance covered. This is the pitch. Okay, linear distance covered by charged particle after completion of one cycle. So it is v parallel into time period t. Okay, what is v parallel? That is v cos theta, and time period you can write that is 2 pi m divided by qb. That is the formula for the time period, and this time period you can find using the concept of speed. Okay, so the speed will become 2 pi m into v into cos theta divided by qb. Okay, so this 2 pi as it is, m you know very well, that is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 27. Velocity it is 4 into 10 raised to power 5, and cos 60 degree is 1 by 2, and charge that is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19, and the velocity magnetic field is 0.3. So this pitch we are getting, the value of pitch is equal to 4.4 centimeter. Okay, that calculation you have to solve by your own. So 4.4 centimeter, that is the pitch. Okay, so in this case, whenever uh, yes, In this case, whenever we are talking about the motion of charge particle, when this charge particle having velocity at angle theta with the magnetic field, so it will perform helical path. Okay, helical motion. One component of velocity which is perpendicular to the magnetic field will perform circular motion, and one which is parallel to the magnetic field, velocity component which is parallel to the magnetic field, not responsible for any kind of circular motion. It will provide the linear motion, so it will move on helical path. Thank you very much.